So bhai, I was recently walking with a friend and he was asking me how he can stop scrolling Instagram. And it made me realize that not many people are informed on how to quit these bad habits and how to fix internet addiction, to be more specific. So that's why I made this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can fix your internet addiction. There is nothing worse than being chronically online, opening Instagram every few seconds, scrolling YouTube shorts, because these things suck away your time and energy. And if you watched any of my videos by now, you'd know that your time and energy are the most important things, because these are the two things you can never buy back, no matter how much money you have. Your time and energy is the most valuable asset you have, because with these two things you can actually build things. You can actually go and accomplish the things you want. You can actually go and accomplish things. If we take both of these things away from you, or any one for a matter of fact, you are a lost cause. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let me tell you how to fix your internet addiction. So dekho bhai, the key is mindfulness. The more mindful you are, the less addicted to the internet you will be. And in order to become more mindful, you need to meditate. Whoa. So in order to meditate, what you need to do is close your eyes and focus on the breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. And you want to continue doing this in silence. And eventually what will happen is that you will lose your focus on your breath and you will entertain some random thought in your brain. Open your eyes, by the way. And when this does happen, you want to bring your focus back to your breath. If you've done this successfully, congratulations, you have meditated. But meditation is like the most underrated self-improvement habit. Like sure, you have gratitude journaling and all of these 1,000 other habits. But meditation is the one habit that you need to do at all costs. And that is because it improves your mental health. But the reason you're on the internet, that you're chronically online, is because your mental health is shit. If you had good mental health, you wouldn't be online. You would actually be out there achieving your goals. And meditation improves your mental health. And as you already know, your mental health should be your number one priority. Because bhai, agar mental health nahi hai, kuch bhi nahi hai tumhare paas. And by improving your mental health, you improve every single aspect of your life. Whether that be your studies, your social life, your academics, every single thing. I can say this with full confidence. With that bhai, I'd like to end the video. I hope you have a very elastic day, bro. This is your neighborhood friendly Sybil signing off. And as always, bye.